On Saturday, XRP rose by 0.82%, partially reversing a 7.07% slide from Friday. XRP ended the day at $0.35445. While XRP revisited sub-$0.35 for the second time since November 21st, XRP ended a three-day losing streak. A bullish start to the day saw XRP rise to an early morning high of $0.35703. Coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3728, XRP fell to a late afternoon low of $0.34741. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3374, XRP bounced back to end the day at $0.35445. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. There were no material updates from the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case on Saturday, leaving XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market. Market angst over the ongoing FUD campaign against Binance eased, delivering much-needed support. However, crypto headwinds pegged the crypto market back from a more meaningful recovery. Regulatory risk has resurfaced since the collapse of FTX, creating uncertainty about the regulatory landscape and how it would impact XRP and the crypto market. With the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case, we also expect uncertainty about whether lawmakers and regulators can affect the outcome. The collapse of FTX has driven lawmakers and regulators to take a tougher view of the digital asset space, which could also influence Judge Torres. As investors await a court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs, the next court date is December 22nd. Parties must file omnibus motions to seal all materials relating to the summary judgment motions and proposed redactions to such materials. For the SEC, losing the case could hand the crypto regulator baton to the CFTC. Lawmakers are calling for an investigation into the SEC's failure to prevent the collapse of FTX. Gary Gensler has been quieter than usual in the wake of the FTX collapse. A loss in the Ripple case would be another embarrassment. At the time of writing, XRP was down 0.57% to $0.35244. A range-bound start to the day saw XRP rise to an early high of $0.35496 before falling to a low of $0.35244. XRP needs to move through the $0.3530 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3585. A move through the Saturday high of $0.35703 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.3626 and $0.3650 would likely come into play. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3722. Failure to move through the pivot would give the bears a run at the first major support level, S1, at $0.3489. However, barring another extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-$0.34. The second major support level, S2, at $0.3433 should limit the downside. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.3337. Barring updates from the SEC v. Ripple case and a crypto exchange event, XRP will likely sit in the hands of the crypto exchange liquidity updates. The EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart sent a bearish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat below the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.37426. The 50-day EMA slid back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA falling back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bearish. A move through R1, $0.3585, would support a breakout from R2, $0.3626, to bring R3, $0.3722, and the 50-day EMA into view. However, failure to return to 36 cents would leave XRP at risk of a fall to sub-$0.34. The ruling in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple lawsuit is awaited and is witnessing different kinds of speculative outcomes. However, both parties have filed the final briefs seeking summary judgment in their favor. Meanwhile, an attorney following the XRP lawsuit has revealed what might be the next move from the SEC. Attorney Jeremy Hogan replied to a user's query regarding the XRP lawsuit. A user asked whether SEC will file for reconsideration of the summary judgment before appealing it. Hogan stated that the commission could move for reconsideration ahead. He added that, however, he doubted the SEC would file an appeal after a loss. It looks too dangerous for now. Hogan stated that if the SEC loses on appeal, then it will become the controlling case authority. This can lead to the SEC losing the case in the Second Circuit. Hogan believes that the SEC won't risk this, as it would be a smart action to take loose here. However, the commission can then focus on exchanges and fraud happening in the crypto market. Earlier, CoinGate reported that after failing to prevent and take action against the SBF and FTX, the XRP lawsuit has become more important than ever for the commission. As of now, Ripple and SEC have asked District Judge Annalisa Torres not to send the XRP lawsuit to the trial and give a ruling in their favor. However, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson spread a rumor about a settlement between the parties around December 15, 2022. Meanwhile, Hoskinson's rumor about the settlement was debunked by the Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett. She mentioned that her source close to the XRP lawsuit has informed that there is no truth to this rumor. It's one of those Saturdays. Crypto selling off in overnight trading, Friday to Saturday, like we have seen so many of them since December last year. It's frustrating for crypto investors because it is happening on low liquidity moments. Consequently, many tokens tend to sell off really hard, much harder than BTC. XRP, however, did hold its secular support level. Our XRP forecast 2023 and other crypto predictions are undergoing another thorough test as we speak. Crypto events in 2022 have been a true roller coaster, probably an understatement. It might seem a long time ago, but it was just 7 months ago when Terra Luna went from a valuation of $36 billion back in March of 2022 to less than $50 million in a matter of weeks. Similarly, more recently, the FTX drama resulted in a similar devaluation drama. It's just that FTX is technically bankrupt while Terra Luna Classic is still up and running. INCREDIBLE. Binance is under scrutiny right now. There is lots of FUD which might or might not be justified. The world will know soon. This is the ideal environment to attack the crypto space and push on the short side. That's what happened in overnight trading. BTC and ETH got sold heavily in a low liquidity environment. If we look at XRP specifically, we see that its price came down to secular support around 34 cents. As seen on below chart, the current support level coincides with a long-term rising trend line. Interestingly, the bull run of September might morph into the center part of a bullish W reversal. The first part of a potential W structure was printed in the period May-August. Stated differently, if this current level will hold on a 3 to 5 day closing basis, it might qualify as a long-term bullish pattern. Hard to believe, but true. However, it's a conditional statement. Cardano, ADA, founder Charles Hoskinson has declared that he will no longer speak on Ripple and its native token XRP, citing vicious attacks from the community. According to Hoskinson, the attacks have emerged from his stand on the ongoing Ripple and Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) case, where he has been accused of colluding with the regulator, he said during a webcast on December 16. In this line, Hoskinson has earlier stated that sources close to the matter had informed him that the case would be concluded on December 15. However, the timeline was not attained, with Hoskinson noting that he was again subjected to attacks by the XRP community, accusing him of being a liar. Hoskinson, who also serves as the co-founder of Ethereum, ETH, noted that the attacks were unwarranted and he was on the side of Ripple. He stated that over the years, engaging with the XRP community has become challenging, hence the decision to stop talking about the project in general. I was accused of lying, and I was accused of yet again creating a flood and trolling. I don't know how to interact with the XRP community. I think my statements have been historically very measured and supportive. He added. So, moving forward, I'm not going to answer any questions at all about XRP in any circumstances. I'm not going to mention the project. I'm not going to talk at all about anything going on after there is a resolution of the XRP case. I'm not even going to discuss that if asked in the future. I'm just going to simply say no comment. Hoskinson stated that he has been supportive of Ripple's initiative to popularize the cryptocurrency sector, and he was tired of being on the receiving end whenever he comments on XRP. At the same time, Hoskinson pointed out that the conspiracy theories tied to his involvement in the case are senseless, noting it was time for his engagement on XRP to end. It is worth mentioning that the XRP community has constantly attacked Hoskinson after noting the SEC case was ongoing due to a lack of clear regulations in the crypto sector while maintaining that the token is not a security. As reported back in October, Hoskinson expressed his frustration with the constant attacks that emanated from his comment noting that Ethereum may have gotten a pass because, as some believe, some commissioners have been somehow swept up in a large wave of corruption. In the meantime, both XRP and SEC have made final submissions as legal experts continue predicting the possible outcome from the case. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.